Hello everyone and welcome to how to build the watch list. So I've been asked to show how I'm building my own watch list and just logged into the platform. Let me kind of drag my second window. Going to put it in the middle. Okay. And the first thing I'm doing is I'm looking at the list from the last trading day and I'm cleaning a few things up. So first of all, if there is no volume, I want to remove it. Let me kind of start with AVRNO, not enough volume, and I'm going to delete it. Basically, I think all of them can be deleted. Okay, so I got 3 stocks left from the last trading day. And let me kind of start on adding new trades, new potential trades. So first of all, we have MGA, which is the first one. You can see 2.9 million shares exchange hands already, and it's $3.3 up. Yeah, I just added. I'm adding a few. So QS is nice volume, and yeah, I'm looking for something close to or over 1 million shares, and I want to see a huge gap. Okay, so anything above 3 would be considered nice. If it's going to be 2 points, I don't know, 8, 7, I might put in as well. But for now, what I want to do is kind of look through the list and find kind of the stocks that matching huge gap up or down and huge volume. Okay, so I already have a few. Let me kind of see where I'm going with it. What else do I have? Now I'm trying always to find kind of stocks for short and longs as well. And you can see that right now we are red in the pre-market. So okay, let me kind of add the last stock for the long. I think that's kind of close this list. And yeah, that will be ACB. That was kind of the long list. Let me kind of find a few for the short. So the first one will be Nikola, which is nice. What else do we have here? We have Jamia, JMIA, which I'm going to add. XPV. And you can see that Jamla, Jamla I'm going to add. But all the rest are pretty much the one that I kept from the day before. And yeah, that's it. So thank you for watching. Join me by comment and subscribe, and see you in the next one.